guys, welcome back to my channel Genius Tutorials. So in this video we will discuss another LRDI set with you from the question paper of CAT 2019. I hope you understand the set, and if you have any doubts please do leave them in the comment box below.
With the discussion of the set. So here you have Princess, Queen, Rani and Samragini, that is P, Q, R and S are the four finalists in a dance competition. Ashman, Badal, Gagan and Dew were the four music composers, which are A, B, G and D. Now they individually assigned items to the dancers. Each dancer had to individually perform in two dance items assigned by different composers. The first items performed by the four dancers were all assigned by different music composers. So this means in total there will be 8 dance items. No dancer performed her second item before the performance of first item. So basically the performance will be in this order: the first item and the second item. Firstly, P, Q, R, S in any order will perform their first item each. Then in the same order, P, Q, R, S, whatever the order might be, they will perform their second performance. The following additional facts are known. Then you have the dancers perform their second items in the same sequence of their performance of the first items, which we have already discussed here. Now you have the following additional facts. No composer who assigned the items to Princess assigned any item to Queen. So basically this means, let's say if A and B are assigning the items to P, then A and B will not assign any item to Q. This means Q will be assigned by G and D in any other order. Next you have no composer who assigned item to Rani assigned any item to Samragini. Same goes for R and S. That is, if A and B are assigning to R, then A and B will not assign to S. This means G and D will assign to S. Now, the first performance was by Princess. This item was assigned by Badal. And the last performance was by Rani. This item was assigned by Gagan. Now, let's say I have this table with me. So I know that let this be the first assignment and performance, and this be the second performance. I know that the first performance was by Princess. So this will be the first performance, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. These are the rounds and these are the number of performances. Now the first performance is by Princess, which is assigned by Badal. So I will place B here. And the last performance is by Rani. This was assigned by Gagan. So here is Rani and this last performance is assigned by Gagan. Now for this I have two cases. Either it will be in order P, Q, S and R, or it will be in order P, S, Q and R. Even here they will similarly be assigned B and G. Now the next information we have is the item assigned by Ashman were performed consecutively. I know that there are two rounds, and in the first round Ashman cannot assign two consecutive items because each composer is assigning only one item. This means for Ashman to have consecutive performances, there is only one case possible. That is, if Ashman is placed at 4th and 5th, that is Ashman is assigning the 4th and 5th performance, these will be consecutive as well as in different rounds. Now, according to the information, I know that anybody who assigns the item to P cannot assign the same item to Queen, that is Q. So B and A are placed here. This means B and A cannot be placed here. Now, if B cannot be placed at the 6th position, the only position I have for B in the second performance is if B is placed at the 7th position, and hence D will be placed at the 6th position. Here I will place G and here I will place D. So this is my final order for the first case. Now moving on to the second case. Similarly, here I cannot place B and A because people who are assigning performance to P cannot assign performance to Q. So here if it's not possible to put B, the only case possible is if I place D here and B here. Similarly, I will have to place G here and D at the second position. Now I also know that the number of performances between items assigned by each of the remaining composers was the same. So the number of performances here between B, let's see, B is at the 1st position and the 7th position. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 performances between the two performances assigned by B. Similarly here, G is at the second position and 8th position. So the number of performances are the same, that is the 5 performances in between the 2 performances of G. But for D, there are only 2 performances in between, that is 4th and 5th. This means this case is not possible. Let's move on to the second case. Here, among B, there are 4 performances. Similarly, in D as well, there are 4 performances, and same is the case for G. So this will be our final solution. Discuss the questions. So the first question says, which of the following is true? The second performance was composed by Dew. This one is true, so option 1 will be my answer. Next question says, which of the following is false? Queen did not perform in any items composed by Gagan. This is not true, hence this will be my answer. Question is, the sixth performance was composed by, so here it is composed by B, which is Badal, so option 3 will be my answer. And the last question is, which pair of performances were composed by the same composers? So the first and sixth performance is composed by Badal, hence A will be that is the first choice will be my answer. The rest of the following are false. Second and sixth are first and seventh, and third and seventh are all performed by different composers.
Thank you so much for watching the video, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more such videos.